This is the kind of question that spurs a lot more questions, especially when it comes to right-of-ways that were established a long time ago. Our experts advise that the answer comes down to whether or not the party using the right-of-way has the legal right to do so. They may have the right acknowledged in their deed, or they might have a prescriptive right-of-way. That's when they're able to use the road after they've used it for a certain span of time, kind of like squatters' rights. Assuming for a moment that those scenarios don't apply, you could seek out an injunction. A judge can intervene to keep the construction equipment off your property. But the other party may still be able to argue for a prescriptive right-of-way. If your right-of-way is old, it may be true that the construction equipment is exceeding what was originally considered when the agreement was drafted. And because there were often no restrictions or specifications when these agreements were drawn up, unfortunately, the construction equipment probably isn't enough to revoke access. It's more likely that access could be restricted or prevented, but you'll have to talk to a judge for that. Contact a lawyer with a strong background in easements. They may be able to at least help you keep the noisy equipment off your property. It's not perfect, but it's something.